and FBA 90. A. Standard for the installation of air conditioning and ventilating systems. Section 5.54 permits heating, ventilation, and air conditioning contractors to wire to a heating, cooling, air conditioning, or ventilating systems equipment from a disconnect switch or panel board located adjacent to the equipment. This provision does not extend to wiring beyond the equipment, such as to motors or thermostats. In FBA 70, National Electrical Code, Article 90.2b defines qualified person as one who has demonstrated skills and knowledge related to the electrical system being installed or worked on. Article 90.3 requires licensed electricians to supervise electrical work, unless the work is specifically exempted. Unless specifically permitted by local codes or regulations, the wiring from a service disconnect or motor is considered electrical wiring and falls outside the scope of a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning license. This wiring must be performed by a licensed electrician or under the supervision of a qualified person. Specific National Electrical Code articles. Article 100 defines terms such as equipment and wiring. Article 240 covers overcurrent protection and disconnect switches. Article 430 covers motors and controllers. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning contractors are typically permitted to wire from a disconnect switch or panel board to their equipment, but not beyond it. The wiring from a service disconnect to a motor is considered electrical wiring and must be performed by a licensed electrician or under the supervision of a qualified person.